Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of push-ups. You might think of push-ups as just a basic exercise, but trust me, there's a whole lot more to them than meets the eye. In this video, we're going to explore the 7 compelling reasons why you should make push-ups a part of your daily routine. So, let's jump right in. Why push-ups? Push-ups are like the Swiss Army knife of workouts. They're simple, effective, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're a gym junkie or prefer working out at home, push-ups are your go-to move for building strength without any fancy equipment. But why exactly should you do push-ups every day? Let's break it down. Multiple muscles at once. First up, push-ups are a one-stop shop for strengthening multiple muscle groups simultaneously. When you knock out a set of push-ups, you're not just working your chest muscles, you're also engaging your shoulders, triceps, biceps, and upper back. Plus, maintaining proper form means keeping your core, hips, and legs in check too. It's like getting a full-body workout in just one exercise. Adaptability and variation. Now, here's the beauty of push-ups. They're totally customizable to your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a push-up variation for you. Just starting out? No problem. Try knee push-ups or incline push-ups to ease into it. As you get stronger, challenge yourself with decline push-ups, diamond push-ups, or even clap push-ups. The possibilities are endless. Joint and bone strength. But wait, there's more. Push-ups aren't just about muscles. They're also great for your joints and bones. By regularly performing push-ups, you're not only strengthening your elbows and shoulders, but also boosting the health of your bones. It's like giving your body a sturdy foundation to support all your fitness goals. Cardiovascular health. Here's a surprising benefit of push-ups. They're good for your heart too. While push-ups are primarily known for building strength, they also get your heart pumping. With each rep, your heart works harder to pump blood and oxygen throughout your body. So, if you're into HIIT workouts, push-ups are the perfect addition to keep your heart strong and healthy. Weight loss and calorie burn. Looking to shed some pounds? Well, push-ups have got your back there too. By increasing muscle mass and revving up your metabolism, push-ups help your body burn calories more efficiently. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or expensive gym memberships. Just a little bit of floor space and determination. Posture improvement. Sitting at a desk all day wreaking havoc on your posture? Say no more. Push-ups are here to save the day. By engaging your back muscles and strengthening your core, push-ups help you maintain proper posture and prevent those pesky aches and pains. Everyday functionality. Last but not least, push-ups aren't just about looking good. They're about feeling good too. By building functional strength, push-ups help you tackle everyday tasks with ease. From opening heavy doors to avoiding injuries, push-ups prepare you for whatever life throws your way. So, there you have it, folks. 7 rock-solid reasons why you should do push-ups every day. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or just starting your journey, push-ups are the ultimate exercise for building strength improving your health, and enhancing your overall well-being. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to drop and give me 20. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing.